Okay guys, bigyan ko kayo ng update guys. Ang bagong equipment ni Tolich guys. Solid stainless steel. 50 ang length niyan guys. Okay guys, 50 ang length niyan. Tapos 13. Ito naman ang delivery tray ko guys. Plastic lang yan. So kung makikita nyo yan guys, nakabalot pa yan guys. Nakabalot pa ng stainless yan. Okay. Yan ang pinapress ko yan guys. Tingnan mo naman. Welding 101 ito Rich guys. Pinapress ko yan, pinabend ko yan. Tapos winelding ko lang yan. Stainless din yan guys. Walang leak yan guys. Walang leak. Subok yan. Yan ang magandang lutuan, latest stainless steel. Pag gusto nyo guys, let me know. We can build one. That's 16 gauge. Yan guys. Yan ang standard guys. 16 gauge. 16 gauge 0.058 mm. Mm or basta 16 gauge siya guys. Ayan o. 16 gauge, ganyan kakapal yan guys. Alright.